Alrighty, welcome back. As you can see, I don't know what those 2, 3, 4 large spots are, but it is starting to rain. I feel like it's actually been a streak that we had where it hasn't rained on trash picking day, but it's trash picking day. No days off 2020. We're still here. We're still active. Let's get out there and try to find some treasure. I know this town originally was supposed to switch over to everything had to be in a trash can. Nothing can be left outside a trash can. I think it was supposed to start this week or last week. So with that in mind, I don't know what's going to happen, but hey, we'll see what's going on. And hey, let's make it a good one. Let's find some treasure. What do you say? Let's do it. All right. Get yourself a little drum set. Oh, she's a busted one, but this is metal still. Get yourself a drum set. Kid's drum set. Then what is this? Get yourself a lawnmower blade. Alright, so this road, on a usual day, oh, we got cars from the right, is usually so slammed you can't get by. Like, you can't even do what I just did. Oh, we got a fan, and a satellite dish for your old dish television. So yeah, what I just did there, can't do that on a usual day. I mean, literally like that, it's impossible even to pull onto that road. Some wire, is this that TV wire? This fan with the world's largest or longest extension cord. Still finding it. This that house over there always had antique and vintage stuff out. They had a bunch of stuff out, put it that way, and there's nothing out this week. It's actually a really cool organizer. Oh, it's not even an organizer, it's a bed frame, I think. Take it. This door's already giving me issues. I think it's a bed frame that's folded up. It might be an organizer. I don't know what it is, to be honest. That's plastic. Oh, car. Cruise over to the other side of town. Really not that many people out, but again, it's currently what, 6:55 in the morning. That usually would do it. Looking down the alleyways. What I've noticed also with this town so far is that a lot of the garbage has been in garbage cans, and a lot of the garbage cans have been absolutely stuffed with stuff. I don't know about the stops I made, but the general part of town is pretty much, there's really no garbage bags just laying around. It's always, I gotta say, this is one of the nicest towns in the area. See, stuffed. Oh, and cardboard next to it. Birds are squeaking, sound like a squeaky van. Alright. Which one? Oh, we'll go for the walk first. Go for the walk. So, the reason why I'm stopping there is because there's something back there that I want to grab. But I do get a lot of questions like, why don't I park closer to stuff? If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead, subscribe down below. If you're old to the channel, well, subscribe again. I don't think you can, but if you could, you should. I'm going to rescue this nice chicken feeder. It's amazing. Antique chicken feeder. Just cross over. So I want to park here because there's a yellow line and there's a stop sign. My van's tall enough where you might not see that stop sign, and I do not want to be responsible for somebody blowing through that and hitting someone. So I try to follow all the rules of the road. I also usually don't park on the opposite side of the street because I don't want someone coming down the street and having to go around me into oncoming traffic. Pretty much, I try to be considerate as opposed to efficient. But once again, different strokes for different folks. So whatever floats your boat. If you'd rather be more efficient and just hop in and out, that's up to you. But a lot of people also said, is it legal or illegal to trash pick? And if you're considerate, I think you have a little bit more leeway. This one said, free Christmas decor. Holy cow, slow it down, buddy. I don't know, we'll go through it another time. Love a little Christmas decoration. There's a lot of garbage bags out there, not in bins, so who knows? Alright, that's usually my favorite spot. Well, actually, no, I'll see what's in those milk crates because I thought it was just empty. I did see some propane tanks there, which I am not taking. Those milk crates intrigue me because they look like they have stuff inside. But I've been pump faked before. I think I've been pump faked again. It's not football. I don't know what that is. Nope. This thing is like literally a rock. It's not even inflatable. I don't think so, bud. It's like, it hurts. That hurt. I don't think there's any air in here. Alright, garbage truck. You might be able to hear in the background. It's right around the corner. I don't know, I saw this. I thought it'd be interesting. I don't know why, but I thought that croquet mallet was in much better shape. We do have a nice reel there, so we probably have to rip that off. I thought that was in great shape. It's not. Not like they're a hot commodity, but could have tested the waters. You can always count on a chair and a rake, which I don't need. Some piece of scrap wood. Who knows? Never know out here. Just can always count on a chair one of these times. Don't swing on me. Don't swing! I knew that was going to happen. Count it up. Nope. Little aluminum chair. Bump, bump, bump. There we go. There we go. Always finding chairs. Chairs, a baby seat. There's a lot of trash out, to be honest. It's quite an amount of trash out. Oh, 2 screens. You get the hit with the combo pack. 2 aluminum screens, probably about $1 in scrap here. It's a really good find. Where's the other? Oh, there it is. Alright, so we are back. It's still raining. I hear a lot of ticking sound, maybe. That is, well, I just definitely heard that. Had to have. That's just raindrops hitting the camera. Alright, so what we grab here? We got Christmas decor, this football that's like a rock. I don't know how it even happened, unless I thought maybe they'd like insert maybe like concrete or something there, but this thing's like a rock. This is, I don't know, that actually kind of hurt my finger. Bunch of scrap metal, this rack thing, which now as I'm looking at, it definitely is. I was going to say, now as I'm looking at it, it's got to be a rack. It's definitely a bed frame. This thing pops out that way, this thing pops out that way, and you can put like a cot-sized mattress on this. The innovation people go through, I literally thought it was like a rack, and I guess it's definitely not. So we got a bunch of scrap metal. We did also grab some other cool things. There's nothing really, I mean, that is what it is. Nothing too crazy, but always fun and always an adventure. And still grab this nice piece here. This, I'm not sure if it's old. This one does look old. The galvanized stuff, I mean, you can go to a Tractor Supply and buy it, but I think now it's kind of like a polished stainless steel looking galvanized. That even makes sense. I don't know if they actually sell like the antique, like, I mean, this is like a solid piece. It's not a reproduction that you'd get at, you know, TJ Maxx or something for just decoration. This is like actually a solid piece. It was at some point probably used for that. Whether or not they used it for that. Chicken feeder, I think it is. Well, that was up to them. And of course, a broken drum set. So, always a fun adventure. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this trash picking video. Thank you guys and girls for coming along for another fun time. If you guys enjoyed it, go ahead, smack the like button for me. Subscribe down below for more trash picking videos. Getting pretty close to 230,000 subscribers. So thank you for all the support. If you guys want to share the channel, that'd be awesome as well. And, well, we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow for our next adventure. Until next time, have a great day. Keep living the dream. Peace.